Computer memory. Computer memory is where data and information are stored. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, gets data from memory to work on it. Once it has finished processing, it sends the updated data back to memory for storage. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of a computer. CPU can directly access this memory. It is fixed on the motherboard of a computer. Primary memory is further divided into two types. 1. Random access memory, RAM. 2. Read-only memory, ROM. Random access memory, RAM. RAM is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost when the computer is turned off. That's why it is also called volatile memory. It stores data and instructions given by the user and also the results produced by the computer temporarily. Types of RAM: static RAM, SRAM. SRAM is a type of memory that holds data without needing to be refreshed. It is fast and used for small amounts of memory. Example, think of it as a special notepad that always remembers what's written on it even if you do not keep checking it. Dynamic RAM, DRAM. DRAM is a common type of memory that needs to be refreshed thousands of times per second to keep the information. Example, imagine a chalkboard that fades if you don't keep writing over it to make the writing stay clear. Read-only memory, ROM. Information stored in ROM is permanent in nature. That is, it holds the data even if the system is switched off. It holds the instructions that are required to start a computer. It is also called non-volatile memory. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is permanent in nature and is not directly accessed by the CPU. It allows users to store data that may be easily retrieved. It is cheaper as compared to primary memory. Secondary memory devices are also called secondary storage devices. They are categorized into three types: magnetic disk, optical disk, and flash drive. Secondary memory is further divided into magnetic disk, optical disk, flash drive. Example of magnetic disk is hard disk. Examples of optical disk are CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Examples of flash drive are pen drive, memory card, SSD. Magnetic disk. A device covered with a magnetic coating is called a magnetic disk. You can record and erase data on a magnetic disk any number of times. Hard disk. The hard disk consists of one or more magnetic disks. Each disk in the pack has top and bottom surfaces on which data is recorded using magnetic head. It is permanently fixed in the system unit. The most important function of the hard disk is to store program files and data files. Hard disks are available in a variety of sizes with storage capacities as high as 5 TB, that is terabyte, or even more. The CPU can access data stored on a hard disk much faster than other storage devices. External hard disks are also available. They are the hard disks that can be connected to any computer with the help of a USB port. They offer the convenience of expanding storage capacity without the need for internal installation and are commonly used for backing up data, transferring files, or increasing storage space on laptops and desktops. Optical disc. An optical disc is an electronic data storage medium that can be used to write and read using a low-powered laser beam. There are three types of optical discs: CD, DVD, and Blu-ray. An optical disc generally has a longer lifespan than a magnetic disc. The optical discs are not used commonly. Nowadays. Compact disc, CD.
Compact disc, CD, is an external storage device. It can hold up to 700 megabytes of data. The CD drive reads information stored on a compact disc. CD drive is usually connected inside the CPU box but can also be connected using a USB port. There are three types of CDS: CD-ROM, CDR, and CDRW.
Digital versatile disc or digital video disc, DVD. The DVD is almost similar to a CD. Even the working is also similar. The only difference is that it can hold more information than a CD. DVDs are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other data.
DVDs come in single-layer and dual-layer formats. A single-layer DVD can hold up to 4.7 GB of data, while a dual-layer DVD can store up to 8.5 GB.
Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is an optical disc. It is used for storing a large amount of data. The main difference between DVDs and Blu-ray discs is that storage capacity of Blu-ray disc is higher than that of the DVD.
Flash drive. Flash memory, also known as flash storage, is a type of non-volatile memory. It is used for easy and fast information storage in computers, digital cameras, and home video game consoles. Some of the devices based on flash memory are pen drive, memory card, and solid-state drive. Pen drive. Pen drive acts as a portable hard drive and is easy to use as it is small and can be carried in a pocket and plugged into any computer with a USB drive. Pen drive has storage capacity of up to 1 TB. Memory card. Memory card is commonly known as multimedia memory card. It is very small in size, usually 1 1/5 inches. It is used in mobile phones and digital cameras. You need to have a card reader to read the stored data on a solid-state drive, SSD. An SSD is a type of storage device that holds information like your pictures, games, and documents. An SSD uses the technique of flash memory to store data. It is much faster than a hard disk. SSDs are more durable and reliable than hard disks. They come in various capacities, typically 128 GB to several TBs. Nowadays, desktop computers and laptops come with SSD instead of traditional hard disk.